I'm at Garden Gallery Ironworks in Hubbard, where they're known for their beautiful indoor and outdoor decor. If you've been to their store, you know that they have beautiful trellises and arbors, garden art, patio furniture, and even gifts for any occasion. So you may ask yourself, I would love to have any of those items. Well, your chance is now. In honor of Garden Time's last season, Garden Gallery Ironworks is giving us a $200 gift certificate to give to one lucky viewer. It's easy to enter to win. Just go to the Garden Time website and click on the banner. The drawing ends on June 19th, and the winner will be drawn on June 20th. Good luck to everyone, and thank you to Garden Gallery Ironworks.